Hi there and welcome back. So, you're too lazy to go to a dim sum but still wanna spend 30 minutes to make some delicious Siu Mai? Then I have the right recipe for you. First, you need 800 grams of minced pork and 400 grams of minced shrimp. Add them in a big bowl so we can add some seasoning. Starting with 1 tablespoon of minced shallot and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then 1 tablespoon of sugar. After that, half teaspoon of pepper. Then 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. Followed by 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. After that, half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Then half teaspoon of salt. Next, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And finally, 2 tablespoons of cold water. You can use your hands to mix the whole thing, or use a machine to do the job for you and just watch. Once it's done, take 50 grams of carrots and slice them in small pieces. Once done, take out 1 bag of xiaozu skins. Then spray a little bit of oil on a plate. Now is the fun part. First, put some meat on the xiaozu skin, then shape it into a beautiful flower. Then add a little bit of carrots on the top. Once you're done, put the plate in a steamer and steam it for about 15 minutes. And that's it! Wow! Yum 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 yum! Bon appétit!